Hi everyone, this is a video of our visit to Sawn Rocks, which are in the Mount Kaputar National Park, just northeast of the town of Narrabri. Once you get to the visitor car park, it's a 1500 meter easy return walk to a lookout at the base of the rock formation. What you will see is a 40 meter high rock face which looks like organ pipes. This is of course the results of a volcanic activity which occurred over 20 million years ago in this area. The formation was created as basalt lava flowed and cooled off very slowly and evenly. The rock columns tend to have 5 sides, which is called a pentagon, and some 6, which is also called a hexagon. They also extend into the ground at least another 30 meters. So these are about 70 meter high columns in total, above and underground. A fair few of the columns have fallen to the ground at the base of the rock formation, so don't forget to go down below the lookout platform to see those. It's also fascinating to see how some of the trees simply grow out of the rock face, as one can't imagine there's a lot of soil there. So all in all, a very interesting rock formation to see. There are usual suspects.
Oh, let me get a picture of this. Strange man walking towards me with a...
You're on live camera.
That's alright.
Patches later.
Yeah, just some friends we're traveling with, so don't mind them. They probably got up earlier than we did to get here. So they call this Sawn Rock. You can glimpse it there through the trees. It's a gully. Good morning. Yes, these are the hexagonal features when the rock fractures. Pretty interesting to see. It's very tall. They're very big. So it's in this gorge. Oh my God. That's a pretty sight. You can walk down there to the creek to get a different angle, I suppose. Awesome. That's the track where we came. So let's go down and see if we can get another angle.
Yeah.
Hi, hi.
Hi.
Okay. A few steps. Yeah, you don't want to misstep and roll down. Although we'll get you there fast, but not safely. So here we are. All right, that's good. See the cockatoo flying there. Brilliant. Well, you can see them from a distance, but we can see some of these here close up, so let's show you here. So if you look here, these are not man-made steps. These are all from the cliff face. You can see that. You can see how they're hexagonal cut out. Let me see. If you come here, they're all over the place here. Definitely down there. There's a bit of a puddle here. You can see it there. Interesting. Six sides in general. Some of them have fewer, but fairly big rocks. And there's some more over there. Well worth the trip here. Easy walk.